Hey guys, this is George from Rodros Outdoors. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a catfish carp pack bait. You can use it for catfish, you can use it for carp. It's worked both for me. Some people use some of the ingredients I use, some people don't. There's different ways to make it. This is the way I make it. All you need is some kennel corn, some breadcrumbs, some strawberry jello. You can use bananas, pineapple, whatever you like. I like to use strawberry, that bright red color. Some garlic powder and a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay, so we're going to get started here. First thing you want to do is pour the breadcrumbs inside there. So just throw the breadcrumbs inside. Doesn't matter if it's expired. Catfish don't look at expiration dates, so it's fine. Don't waste any food. Then what you want to do is put the jello inside the mixture. Okay, then you want to mix it all up. You want to put a little bit of powder in there of garlic. I like to put a lot. Matter of fact, I'm going to pop this off and put quite a bit. Then you want to get your corn, which I need a can opener. Alright. I like to take the juices, the water out. All the breadcrumbs is going to absorb all the moisture from the corn itself. So put a whole can of corn in there. And I like to put a little bit of vanilla because it's got that little oily where it leaves a scent out. So I like to add a little bit of vanilla extract. And then you just mix it all up. The trick is to get that nice lumpy that when you squish it, kind of like kids Play-Doh, that it makes that Play-Doh. I haven't mixed the second can yet. I'm going to do that in a minute. I just want to mix all of this first. Okay, still a little too powdery, so I'm going to add another can. On this one I might leave a little bit of the water in there, because the point of the pack bait is to get it to pack. So I'm going to add a little bit of the corn juice, pour the rest of it out. If you need any more, you can always just add a little bit of water. And pour that other can in there. Just keep mixing it all up. Try to get everything mixed up. And also, it's always good to do it a couple days before. The longer you leave it in there, the more moisture it absorbs from the corn. So I like to do it like 2 or 3 days before I go fishing. That's when it really gets nice and it gets that nice texture. Okay, this is pretty much done. Doesn't look like much, it looks still powdery, but it will absorb all that moisture and get more. You know it's done when you grab a little bit, you squeeze it with your hand, and it makes this little ball right here. That's what you want. You want that. It's going to get a lot more sticky in a couple of days, but that's what you want. So you just pretty much just squish it in your hand. Makes a nice ball. You can slingshot it out there. You can throw it out there. It starts to break apart. Well, as soon as it hits the water and breaks apart, it'll just start falling apart like that, and it drives them crazy. I'm going to do another video on how to use the pack bait when I'm actually out there fishing. I'm going to be doing another video next week. I'm going to roll the tree. I'll show you guys how this works and how to use it and what type of rig you want to use for this. But this works a lot for carp and catfish, so either one, especially carp. Carp love the corn, and it works really well. I mean, it gets nice and packed. This is what you want, that sticky ball. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.